Polsharot Gaji, let's learn Irish. Is Misha Arge, agus topic na seachtain inniu, and Chach, agus Lóistín, the house in accommodation. Agus Shoid na Focail agus na Frásaí. Apartment. Árasán. Backyard. Folctha. Basement. Íoslach. Bathroom. Seomra folctha. Bed and breakfast. Leaba is bricfeasta. Bookshelf. Shelf leabhar. Carport. Carrfort. Dormitory. Suanlios. Dryer. Triomadóir. Front porch. Póirse tosaigh. Guestroom. Seomra aíochta. Hardwood floor. Urlár crua-adhmaid. Oven. Aíochta. Pantry. Pantrach. Roof. Guestroom. Spare room. Seomra breise. Spiral staircase. Bíise. They added on a garage. She'd gariste leis. The kitchen has ample cupboards. The cofri bra mór sa Lóistín. It's the best hotel, bar none. Sean t-óstán is far amuye. A house with 5 bedrooms. Chacha will quig Seomra Leaba an. The hotel has an air of elegance about it. Vi chuma galanta an Austin. We were playing football in the backyard. Vi mid gimmert pelle chulati. The price includes dinner, bed and breakfast. Ta junior Leaba agus bricfeasta san arv. The unit comprises 3 offices, a kitchen and toilets. Vi triafig Kishtín agus leirish san éinead. The dining room and kitchen are on either side. Tan Seomra bia Oigheann, agus an Lóistín an tivella. Biggie Parcha Harja. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.